How's it going? We are going to, I think, start a new series today where we're going to be visiting Maryland state parks. Today we're going to one that's fairly close, but it's also the first and largest state park in Maryland. It's called Patapsco Valley State Park, and it goes along about 32 miles of the Patapsco River, which flows through central Maryland and empties out into the Baltimore Inner Harbor. And it's pretty massive. There's like 5 different areas you can go to. They do camping and whatever. We're just going to go for a hike. They have over 200 miles of hiking trails there. But yeah, so we're going to kind of try to do this every couple of weeks and visit a new state park and do some stuff. What do you think?
I'm excited for the together time. I'm excited for the vitamin D, and I'm excited for the fresh air.
All right. Well, we're going to get going. It's actually only 12 miles from our house, so that makes things that much more exciting. So I don't know.
There you have it.
All right. We're off. All right, we've arrived. That was a very, very easy drive. Like I said, it's only 12 miles, and we're here.
And it's a beautiful, beautiful day.
Beautiful day. Perfect day for starting this out. We're going to hit the porta potties. Then we're going to be on our way.
All right.
Okay, we're about getting ready to go on the trail. This is a medium-sized trail, medium difficulty trail. And as you can see at the start, we're heading up a hill. Okay, as you're walking across the bridge, you can actually feel it bouncing and swaying and it's actually kind of scary. I won't lie. Yeah, that's an experience. Good thing I can swim. It's not too far a fall. I would jump down there if I were younger. Boy, that's unsettling, if I must say. Yeah, that bouncing and stuff, kind of crazy. I was much more happier when it was happening above the water. Now we're above the land. That's a pretty good drop. I think we're pretty safe though.
Well, that's cool. How that feeds, like, from under there, I guess. Huh?
Yep.
We didn't get any fishermen.
You having a good day?
Huh? Oh,
Yeah.
yes. Yeah. Yeah. Did we get any fishermen?
I might have
Fisher
got
people?
one. Might have got a picture of one of them.
Lots of nice dog sightings.
Yeah, so if you have a license, you can do trout fishing here and stuff like that. So we found us a nice bench to sit on. We're just taking a quick break. This is probably as far as we're going to go. How many steps did we make?
Not as many as I wanted. 23:48, something like that.
A lot of them were uphill though, so we definitely got a workout. And it's our first time out for the season, so we don't want to overdo it. Nice and comfortable, beautiful view here.
Really nice.
Here's our view right now.
I think we're actually pretty lucky that it wasn't more crowded today.
It's early in the season. All right, we're going to walk back and then get the car and head home. And we'll have another chat before all is said and done. All right, so that was a nice hour and a half's worth of activity. Got a little sweat going on, got to get upwards vertical and down, and got to see some nice, pretty visuals, and had a really good time. Did you enjoy yourself?
I did, very much. I did. Good planning, Sadie.
Yeah, it's still early in the day. So now that the weather's turning nice, I think you can expect to see a bunch more of these and some outings within Baltimore itself, just as we go do some stuff. I got a kind of a list of some really unique and obscure places to go in Baltimore to share with you. So we'll do that as well. But in the meantime, this is the first of a series. We'll probably do them from spring till mid-fall until the weather gets bad again, every couple of 3 weeks. And I guess that's what we're going to do. What do you think?
That's the plan.
Cool beans. Okay,
Yeah.
Well, thanks for sharing this time with us. As always, we appreciate you and all the new subs, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.